Hello, my name is Ivy. Today I will be presenting my competitive advantage sustenance model for Wells Fargo. The purpose of this model is to demonstrate how the concepts we learned throughout this course can be connected to help an organization develop and sustain a competitive advantage in today's rapidly changing technological environment. I'll begin on the left side of the model with the PESTEL analysis. PESTEL represents the external environment by examining political, economical, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors. Since Wells Fargo operates in a highly regulated and technology-driven industry, understanding these external forces helps the company recognize new opportunities, anticipate risks, and prepare for technological change before competitors do. The insights gathered from Pastel directly influence technology strategy. Technology strategy focuses on deciding how technology should be used to achieve long-term organizational goals rather than simply supporting daily operations. This aligns technology investments with Wells Fargo's business objectives while preparing the organization for technological change. Technology strategy then leads to digital business strategy. Unlike traditional IT strategy, digital business strategy integrates technology directly into the business model to create customer value and improve organizational performance. At Wells Fargo, this includes AI-powered fraud detection, digital banking services, predictive analytics, and personalized financial experiences that improve both operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Moving into the center of my model, digital business strategy increases perceived usefulness, which comes from technology acceptance model. Perceived usefulness refers to the degree to which employees and customers believe technology improves their performance. If AI tools make banking faster, safer, and more accurate, users are much more likely to adopt them. However, usefulness alone is not enough. Successful technology adoption also depends on trust and task technology fit, or TTF. Trust is especially important in the financial industry because customers must believe their personal information is secure and that AI systems make reliable decisions. Without trust, even useful technology may not be accepted. At the same time, task technology fit measures whether the technology actually supports employees' work. If AI improves decision making, reduces manual tasks, and fits existing banking processes, employees are much more likely to embrace the technology than resist it. When both trust and task technology fit are achieved, Wells Fargo experiences diffusion of innovation. This means that the successful technology spreads throughout the organization as more employees, departments, and customers adopt it. Rather than remaining isolated in a pilot project, AI becomes integrated into everyday business operations. Diffusion of innovation then creates two important organizational capabilities. The first is organizational learning. As employees continuously use AI and digital technologies, they gain experience, refine business processes, improve decision making, and build institutional knowledge that strengthens the organization over time. The second is asset stock accumulation. Every interaction with AI generates valuable organizational assets such as customer insights, fraud detection models, operational knowledge, and proprietary data. These resources accumulate over time and become increasingly difficult for competitors to duplicate. Together, organizational learning and asset stock accumulation creates response lag. Although competitors may purchase similar technologies, they cannot immediately replicate years of accumulated knowledge, experience, organizational learning, and proprietary data. As a result, competitors require significantly more time to respond effectively. This response lag strengthens barriers to erosion. These barriers make Wells Fargo's competitive advantage more sustainable because competitors face significant challenges in copying the organization's capabilities, processes, and accumulated resources. Finally, these barriers lead to competitive advantage sustenance. Instead of creating only temporary competitive advantage through technology, Wells Fargo develops a sustainable advantage by continuously connecting strategic planning, technology adoption, organizational learning, and organizational capabilities. The true competitive advantage is not the technology itself, but the organization's ability to continuously learn, adapt, and create value faster than competitors can imitate. In conclusion, my model demonstrates that sustaining competitive advantage requires much more than simply investing in new technology. It requires integrating external analysis, technology strategy, digital business strategy, user adoption, organizational capabilities, and competitive protection into one continuous strategic system. By connecting these concepts, Wells Fargo can successfully prepare for future technological change while maintaining a long-term competitive advantage.